Sinabi ko sa title that this watch can probably save your life or save someone else's life. And this one is the Huawei Watch D. Ba't ko nga ba nasabi yun? And sa video na ito, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung paano nakakaligtas ng buhay itong watch na ito. Tara, simulan natin. So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this is Huawei Watch D and it's being powered by Harmony OS. Kita natin this is how it looks like outside the box. So pagbukas natin ng box, bubungad sa atin ang relo. So while it's receiving some updates, tingnan muna natin other things inside the box. Meron tayo dito ruler na pangsukat ng ating wrist. All you need to do is just wrap it around your wrist para makita niyo kung ano nga bang band kailangan mo suotin, medium or large. And after that, meron kang dalawang strap and airbag na kasama. This one is medium and naka-attach is the large one. So dito sa harap, it's the strap and sa likod, it's the airbag. We have some quick start guide dito and wearing guide. Meron din tayong warranty card, of course. So due to some wear and tear along the way sa paggamit natin, Huawei has included 2 more airbags dito. Isang medium na airbag and isang large na airbag. Meron din tayong wireless charger na kasama. Walang charging head nga lang. And that's about everything inside the box. So okay, buksan na natin yung watch. Tanggalin muna natin itong protector. So kita natin na this watch is nowhere the same sa mga straps na nakikita natin sa mga GT3, GT3 Pro, and other watch ni Huawei. It's a little bit different. Medyo malapad ang ganang watch. And to open this one, i-unlatch mo lang to para matanggal lang siya, no? And this one, you can adjust it freely dito sa loob. Okay? So, kita natin dito, there's another steel dito. All you need to do is just simply pop it out dito. Okay? Then, i-adjust mo lang to. Kung depende kung saan magsasakto siya. But, of course, sundan nyo ang guide para makita nyo kung sasakto sa inyong wrist in order to get the accurate reading pagdating naman sa inyong blood pressure. So, para suotin, it's very easy. Pasok yung kamay mo. Then, i-clip mo lang to. Okay? So, easy. Okay? So, by far, this is the default watch face. So, currently, gamit ko aking large na airbag. So, this is used to get an accurate, more accurate reading ng aking blood pressure. So, ba't ko nga ba nasabi na this one can save your life? Now, on an everyday, day-to-day, hindi tayo regular yung check natin blood pressure. Many of us are high blood, low blood, so hindi natin alam. So, in order to keep track of yourself, kasi yung pagiging high blood, it's very dangerous. Lalo kung sumobra kayo, it might cause something na hindi natin nagugustuhan. You might end up in the hospital or even, well, baka pumanaw pa at the worst case scenario. Now, this watch lets you monitor kahit everyday mo lang gawin. It's so easy. Hindi mo kailangan gamitin yung aparato. This one gives you roughly 95% accuracy. Sabi ng doctor na interview ko, who is promoting this watch as to their patient, na saying this watch, at the very least, pwede mo makuha ang yung blood pressure, sabihin mo sa akin via phone, para at least may idea na si doctor bago ka pa pumunta. Or probably kung medyo mataas na, a-advise ka ni doc, diretso ka na sa ER para mabigyan ka na ng proper treatment. Of course, those are some measures na might save your life. Kaya ako nagsabi siya na nakakaligtas ng buhay itong watch na ito. Now, itong watch na ito is not really that far from mga properties na meron ni Huawei Watch GT3 Pro. Now, ang in-add lang na dito is blood pressure, which is more accurate dahil meron siyang airbag dito. Like the regular ones na nilagay mo sa inyong bicep na magpapump si doctor na up to 200 na pressure na i-release niya para makita niya kung gaano kataas nga ba and kung anong reading ng blood pressure. Now, to change some watch face, all you need to do is just hold this one. Ang dami mo watch face, pwede kalikutin dito. Okay? So, just simply click one na gusto ninyo. Ako, for me, this is probably the most suitable. When you drop down, these are the stuff that you can do. Do not disturb, change your alarm, or even just find your phone.
I'm here. I'm here.
Yan.
I'm here.
Now, swiping to the other side, kita mo ang yung blood pressure. You can measure it. Very simple lang. And pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano yung ginagawa na. All you need to do is just simply sit properly on a chair. Both of your feet na close to each other, cross-leg. Then, ilagay mo ang yung kamay above yung itong watch ito, yung pulse nyo above chest, above your heart, more or less above your heart level. Okay? Then, magre-rate na siya, tatakbo siya, ma-feel mo, no? Magsiskip dito sa inyong wrist. Okay? So, parang, lang, yung regular aparato lang ng pang-measure ng blood pressure. Magsiskip siya, then a little bit later, maybe around a minute and a half mark, magbibitaw na siya ng pressure, makita mo itong reading nyo. So, these are the safe level. Ang systolic mo kailangan less than 120, and the diastolic was less than 80. Now, pagdating sa medyo alarming, no? So, pagdating na sa medyo high, pagdating sa yellow, ang systolic mo sa around 120 to 139, and the diastolic mo sa around 80 to 89. Now, medyo ito ang critical, kailangan mo monitor is above 139 and above 89 na yung diastolic. So, may disclaimer naman si Huawei dito. Ang measurement error is plus minus 5%. Now, swiping to the other side, kita ba dito ay yung heart pressure? Then, of course, the next one is your blood oxygen level. Then, ito ang iyong sleeping monitoring. Of course, syempre, goal natin lahat is to get that 8-hour full sleep every night. So, sana all, no, umabot ng mga ganong data. Pero rarely do I achieve this one. So, this one is weather report. And this one is basically my exercise wheel. Now, there are two buttons over here. Itong home tsaka yung health. Para quickly, mapindot mo, makita mo ang health status mo. Just click this one. Okay, papasok siya dito. Basically, lahat na kailangan mo makita. Okay, yung records, yung guest measurement, pwede rin. Pahiram mo sa iyong kaibigan para ma-check nila ang kanyang blood pressure without recording inside this watch ang kanyang nakuha na reading. Okay? Pressing the home button, kita natin, there are a lot of workout modes. Just like simply a GT3 Pro watch. Okay? Workout records, blood pressure, heart rate, ECG, SpO2, skin temperature. This is another one na, magagamit natin. But of course, kailangan mo nakasuot na roughly more than 10 minutes para makuha mo accurate na skin temperature mo. Then, of course, healthy living, activities, sleep monitoring, stress level. Okay, kita mo yung stress level throughout the day. Then, breathing pattern, music, can use this as your remote shutter. Okay, yan, kita dati, kaya na mag-control. Yan. Okay, makiklik lang siya. Gano'n kasimple lang, no, to use this watch. Then, notification, weather report, timer, alarm. Okay, these are the settings na gusto nyo makalikot. Settings, watch face, you can change your custom cards, disturb mode, vibration, you can even set a PIN code, and a lot of other things that you want to do. Everything's here, pati system updates is also here. Now, if you're somebody na conscious sa inyong health and if you want to regularly check your blood pressure without having the hassle na to ask somebody's help just to measure your blood pressure, you can buy this watch, yung Huawei Watch D. And this one is being priced currently at $19,999. I'll be popping it on the description box below. And if you want to give it as a gift sa inyong parents, sa inyong loved ones who are having some problem with their health, and to let them occasionally monitor themselves to check kung are they okay, are they in good condition. I think this one is simply the perfect gift for them this Christmas. Having a blood pressure monitoring. You can even measure ECG dito. Okay, so I've also checked my ECG, which is important din, no? To check your reading. Okay, so all you need to do is just wear your watch, hawakan mo lang itong terminal na ito, and later you'll be able to get your ECG reading. More or less accurate din naman, sabi ng doctor sa akin. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click mo na yung bell icon para di mo miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?